English learning tips for beginners. 6 ideas to help beginners learn English faster. 1. Listen to English every day. Listen to English radio. Watch English TV. Go to English movies. 2. Make an English ESL friend. Make up conversations. Practice dialogues. Use beginner textbooks. 3. Read English stories. Start with children's books. Try ESL readers. Read advertisements, signs, and labels. 4. Write down new words. Start a notebook for new words. Write words in alphabetical order, A, B, C. Make example sentences. 5. Keep an English diary. Start with one sentence. How do you feel? How is the weather? What did you do today? Write another sentence tomorrow. 6. Visit an English-speaking country. Learn English more quickly. Stay with an English family. Hear native speakers talk.